you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. Yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. 'Cause there's been a whole lot of crying, a whole lot of trying.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by BGMgirl Hair. Shout out to you, BGMgirl Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Child, I don't know what is up with me and this BGM hair, but BGM girl, I can't get it out, okay? I can't get it out. But shout out to you, boo, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that they sent me is 13x4 HD lace pre-bleached knots water wave wig, and I have it in 26 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the link and see if I can get some more information about this unit. So it says water wave 13x4 HD lace front wig, BGM girl. You can get this unit with bleach knots or normal, and they have lengths available in 10 to 32 inches, and this is stretch length, okay? Stretch length, 10 to 20 to 32 inches, all being even numbers. The densities that are available is 150 and 200%. Now I'm not 100% sure what density they sent me. Let me see if it's on there. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure what density they sent me. I would say that it's probably 200% in my opinion, because it's pretty thick to be water wave, and it's not heavy, but it's heavier than most of the water waves that I get. So I'm gonna say it's 200%. That's what it's given to me. Y'all let me know down below in the comments if you think it's 150 or 200%. Let me know, but I want to say it's 200%, but that's just me speculating, honey. So some of the key points that they have on here, it says upgrade pre-bleached knots, absolutely invisible, no extra bleach needed. Pre-bleached wig, same price as normal wig. Oh, did you hear that? The pre-bleached wig is the same price as the normal wig. Upgrade pre-plucked hairline, natural hairline, super thin and invisible Swiss lace, melt skin, flawless ear-to-ear front lace. Free part available, 100% human hair. And if you get the pre-bleached knot wig, they have a processing time of 3 to 5 working days. So keep all of that in mind. So all of that being said, you can get this unit pre-bleached if you want to, and it's not going to be any extra charge, but it will take an extra 3 to 5 days. And I'm guessing that's business days, because they said, I think they said working days. Yeah. So that's 3 to 5 business days. Now, as far as the hairline, y'all, I did not touch this hairline, and it's Water Wave. You guys know how I feel about Water Wave, okay? So we ain't even got to get into that. Now, it is a 13x4, so I did do a curved part, so I want to throw that out there as well. As far as shedding and tangling, I never have any issues with Water Wave units as far as shedding and tangling straight out of the packaging. Now, at some point, yes, but straight out of the packaging, I never do, so I didn't expect it, and I didn't get any of the tings. I think it shedded a little bit, but obviously not enough for me to remember, child. So I'm thinking it shedded maybe a little bit, but it wasn't a lot. It was nothing to write home about. And as far as this unit being big head friendly, I feel like this wig is extremely big head friendly. I want to throw that out there. I think it's extremely big head friendly, okay? Like I'm still a little loose back here, and I got everything kind of tight. So I would say, in my opinion, this unit is medium to big head friendly. But I only have the head that's on my shoulder. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that. But in my opinion, very big head friendly. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so my con is going to be that it's a 13x4. You guys know that it's like a standard con for me, so that's what it is, okay? Now, as far as my pros, you guys know I love a water wave. I just do. And this is a thicker water wave. And to me, that makes the water wave better for the cooler months, because we are stepping into the cooler months. So this is a thicker water wave, but I feel like it's perfect because we are in fall and heading into winter. So yes, I also love that it came pre-tweezed and pre-bleached. I love all the things, honey. And I also love this lace because this lace is lacing, okay? So those are all of my pros with this wig. Obviously, I would recommend it. Now, this is my first time working with this company, but honey, they did not disappoint, okay? They did not disappoint. So shout out to them. Yes, I would recommend this wig. All right, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". This is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you've ever tried a unit from this company. Like I said, this is my first time working with them, but like I said, they ain't disappoint. So sound off in the comments if you have ever purchased a unit from this company. I would like to know. Tell the girlies. And yeah, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, BGMgirl Hair, for sending me this unit. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you guys next time.